everyone, it's Chef Emma again. Today's lesson is preparation of meat and poultry. So right now we are going to start with the preparation of red meat, and our preparation from red meat, we are going to prepare steak with the herbs. So we are going to prepare steak with the herbs. So here I have my beef fillet. It's very tender and ready to be prepared. So from beef fillet we have, I also have variety of condiments. I have garlic, I have onion, I have chopped parsley, I have olive oil, I have salt and white pepper. Then here I also have herbs called coriander. I'm going to start preparing, trimming my beef fillet and measuring the quantity of the fillet I want. So I encourage you to take note of every step for the cooking process. The steak I'm going to use for with the herbs, we call it herb steak. So my herb steak is going to use cooking method called grilling. So the cooking method is grilling. So we are going to use griller to grill. So always you handle meat with the gloves. Then I just need part that I want. Then after having it, then I try to open it. So some they open their steak by beating it using a hammer, but for me I like to open my steak like this. Then after opening my steak, I just marinate it with the olive oil, salt, white pepper, onion, chopped parsley, and garlic. So I had to make sure that herbs are coated well, the steak, and this process we call this process massaging of meat. So you massage your meat to make sure that marination is inside. Then I put some oil, then I press my steak. So just make sure you keep on adding oil, just not dry your steak. And some of cooks, they try to squeeze the steak to make it cook faster, yet it's not advisable. So the more you squeeze your steak, the more it's going to be dry. So you just need to brown it in both sides so that you retain juice inside. Then if you cut, at least it has some more juice inside. So I prepare my coriander. Just make it rough, not chopped. And I put coriander at the last minute because I love my coriander to be fresh. You can produce many steaks as you want, depending with the raw material you have. So now I'm preparing herb steak. You can prepare garlic steak, you can prepare pepper steak, you can prepare rosemary steak, so you can come up with the any dish from steak depending of raw materials available. The doneness of steak depends on customer preference or someone's preference. So we have popular degree of cooking steak, almost, we have popular degree of cooking steak known in our hospitality industry or catering business. So one is called well done. So well done, it means it's well cooked. Another one, it's called medium. Medium, it's between cooked and not cooked. And another one, it's called Raya. Raya means it's just browned on stove, or it's just brown on the skin, but inside it's still pink. So, like now, my steak today, it's well done. It's well done. It's not undercooked. So if I squeeze it, you can see the clear juice from the steak coming out. So this is an indication that our steak is so soft. When you chew it, it can melt in your mouth, not like not becoming tough. I hope you are not going to do the same mistake of preparing steak and cooking, pan frying it or roasting it and squeezing it, then at the end of the day, it seems you cook your steak, yet you are standing on it. So it has to be handled with the care just to retain the juice inside. So now we can present our steak. Like maybe with the toasted vegetables. With some roasted potato as well. Then add a good soy sauce. Clean the plate. Make sure the plate is clean. Then you put some more fresh herbs on top. Not that much. Make it simple. I love fresh coriander. So fresh coriander, it's my dish. Fresh coriander, it's my herb. So enjoy, and let's catch up for the next meat preparation. Thank you.